A presentation of Aditi, the state-of-the-art visitor management system. Aditi is a very flexible application available on both mobile as well as on the web environment. It allows people to register for the office purpose or the malls or any events. Users can download the app available on both Play Store and Android App Store, and they can register themselves with their mobile number with the initial OTPs. Then after the first time filling, system will allow them to feed the information what they need. So we can customize the product based on multiple parameters. Their parking requirement can be chosen, and they can also choose the purpose of the meeting. We can configure the product based on the type of event or whatever it is. If it requires a pre-invitation, they can attach the invitation proof, and they can put their access card number if they give anything part of that. Users can take the recent picture using the facility over there. So they can take the picture of the person. So a picture is taken, and that picture can be stored on the system. So then they can choose to whom they need to meet. Since it's an office purpose demo, it allows them to choose the person whom they wanted to meet. The minute they have chosen the person, system loads the details of the person about the designation, department, and the mobile number. They can attach various ID proofs. These are all configurable. You can add what IDs you are expecting them to provide part of that. They can give the numbers of those IDs for getting into the system. They can also scan their ID cards if that is required to do part of the system. We can do the cropping and other facilities part of that. So once the data is scanned, then they can put any assets when they bring, if it is an office, or they can generate the pass. System generate the pass for their entry with the details and also a QR code and barcode. So it depends on the end device what you need, system can support that. This comes with full-fledged APIs so that any system can be quickly integrated, including a gate opener or including a fast gates or including smart gates, so that the users can come and scan the QR code. We can even make this QR code a bigger one so that they can just scan the QR code and move with that. So when a person gets out of the event, there is a facility for them to check out. So the checkout will open a QR code based stuff when they scan it, and they will be checking out. Either they can do it from their mobile device, or they can use the existing gates for their scan outs. So the system can be tweaked accordingly only for registration and do it. When it is involving an event or a mall visits, when there is a multiple family people are supposed to come, we will provide an option part of the check-in that type is family. They can add members of the family with details whatever you wanted to capture, so that in the smart gate they will punch the QR code multiple times of their registered family members, so that if there are 5, they have to show the 5 times the QR code, and then they can be allowed to get in. The last person can step in. So when they go out with one click, their entire registration can move out of that system. So let me get into the back office application of Aditi and to show how we differentiate the various elements of that. So there are facilities where you can create the user roles like your tenants or employees or customers or visitors or multiple elements part of the system. The landing page gives the number of dashboards. These dashboards are configurable, or we can add more dashboards also part of that. So then we can create the list of roles where the people can be configured to create here. There are number of masters where you can create the authorized users to work on this application. You can create any number of users who can work part of that. So users can be selected using this list number of users, or you can update them, you can make them inactive, active, we can set a period for them to be active. Those elements are configurable. There are certain masters where you can define the asset types like laptops, mobile phones, kind of things are configured part of that. Your parking lots can be configured for allowing them to park. You can create what type of IDs you are allowing them to accept, like as I told you, Emirates ID, driving license. Those master data can be configured with this. Various departments within the company can be created if it is used for the official visitor management system. Where a visitor who has not registered on the mobile app can come to the kiosk or can come to the reception and can register using the facilities which are given here with the OTP authentication. We use the standard OTPs given by the customers. And every visitors, once they in, their details are completely in, where their badges can be printed by the people using this facility, or a visitor can be checked out by clicking this particular facility. When I click, it will say the visitor is sent out successfully. So we can keep the visitors who are in part of the system, and we can also track reports are available to see about the visitors who are frequently visiting, the visitors who are the date wise. Number of columns can be added or removed based on the requirement of the customers. The people who are visiting frequently can be managed part of the application. Aditi comes with a number of pre-built APIs. We can authenticate the users with AD authentication or SAML authentication kind of stuff, or possible with the product. Aditi can be hosted on a private cloud or on Azure cloud or any of the even the on-premises system. And Aditi has the ability to create multi-tenants by creating multiple locations where you can allow the people to use this product to work. Thanks for watching, Aditi. Any queries, we are happy to serve. Thank you.